the ergonomic keyboard that adjusts to you. The FS2 is available for both PC and Mac and comes with your choice of a USB or wireless Bluetooth connection. Are you looking for a more comfortable keyboard that can also boost productivity? Then check out the FS2. Thanks to its unique split modular design, the FS2 adjusts to a wide range of body types and addresses the known risk factors associated with typing. With its traditional key layout and compact design, the FS2 is a breeze to adapt to and is perfect for both home and office use. Conventional keyboards force you to contort your wrist to reach the home row keys, but the FS2 allows you to completely separate the key modules so the home row is always at a comfortable width. And with a choice of a 9 or 20-inch linking cable, the FS2 accommodates nearly any body type. As an alternative to separation, you can attach the pivot tether to splay the key modules to a comfortable angle. For added comfort, optional accessories provide reproducible tent settings of 5, 10, and 15 degrees, which elevates the thumb side of the hand to relieve forearm tension. Most keyboards have higher profiles and positive slopes, which can create painful bending of the wrists. The FS2 keeps your wrists in the proper typing position thanks to its low-profile design, 0-degree slope, and optional palm supports. We eliminated the 10 keypad to allow closer mouse placement, which reduces arm and shoulder strain. For number crunchers, we offer a standalone keypad, which can be positioned where you want it. Ever think about key feel? Custom designed, low force, tactile key switches offer a light and gentle feel to reduce finger fatigue. And to reduce mouse clicks and awkward key combinations, driverless hotkeys are conveniently located, performing common actions like cut, copy, paste, and undo. Kinesis Freestyle 2. Your comfort, your style, your choice. To learn more about Kinesis products or find a dealer, please visit kinesis.com.
This is the new programmable Ergo Pro keyboard from Matthias. Our team of designers and engineers has done a refresh on this classic beauty, and I'm going to give you a rundown of all of the changes and improvements. The new model has new firmware which now supports programmability, which means with a simple key press, you can now get the keyboard to type a whole sequence of keys for you. And these are called macros. You can use macros to type words or whole sentences of up to 60 characters, or to type keyboard shortcuts which are awkward to reach or difficult to remember. 11 keys in total are programmable as highlighted here. These include the function keys, the side macro keys, the 2 space bars, and a few other keys on the keyboard which are also programmable as well. Programming them is easy. Simply hold down the escape key and the key that you want to program until the caps lock key starts blinking. Then type your macro, and when you're done, press the key you were programming again, and that ends the program. Now, whenever I want to type supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, I can just hit F6, and it types it. I can delete my macro by holding down Escape and F6, and then pressing F6 again. I can also delete all of the macros on the keyboard by holding down Escape and the backspace key until the caps lock light starts blinking. That's it. It's that simple.